Hello, social studies students. How are you? I miss seeing you every day. In fact, I miss you so much that I've set up a Zoom room for us, and you are very welcome to come see me and video chat with me. I'm going to be sitting at my computer between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock every day, and we'll see how it goes. If people come to see me, I can continue doing a Zoom room. If I'm by myself and no one comes, then maybe next week I just won't do it. If you'd like to join me, which I hope you will, even if you just want to say hi or show me something fun in your house or in your life, um, I sent you an update just now, and the Zoom meeting's here. You just click here. There's going to be a waiting room, and I'll let you in. Please write your name. If it has you write your name, please write your first name so that I know who you are, and then I'll let you in and we can chit chat. So that's one thing I wanted to tell you about. Another thing is I wanted to walk you through what we're doing this week. So it's our second week of learning. So let's pretend we're in our class. Ooh, okay. So we are on day 6 today, and this week there's going to be 4 days because there's no school Friday. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Let me give you some directions for the week. I made it as simple as I could. So the first thing you'll want to do is go in the Know and Learn assignment. And Monday's work is taking students about 10 minutes. So Monday is going to be pretty quick for you. Monday, I'm asking you to tell me what you remember, what you already know about India, a few things you already know, and then to write some questions. And I'm very, very curious what your questions are. So far I've had someone say they want to learn more about animals and about the language. So that's giving me ideas for what to teach you next week. So once you finish this, you'll submit this in Schoology. And then there's one more task. I'd like you to go to the discussion. I'd like you to type in your question, like what language do they speak in India? I'd like you to post your question. Hey, if you know the answer to someone's question, you can reply to them. And if you just want to read other people's questions, you can do that too. Okay, so that's day 1 or day 6. I keep calling it day 1. It's day 6, and as you can see, it's pretty simple. Okay, day 7 is going to be about vocabulary. So I made you a video about how to do the vocabulary, and if you get a little sad face, you can go here to my Google Drive and I show you how I want you to do the vocabulary. Okay. So you're going to watch the directions. Then you're going to do the assignment. So for the assignment, I gave you a list of vocab words. Let's look at it. So the list, I made some slides for you with the directions. So you're going to read the definition, look at the pictures, write the word, part of speech, and definition. So here's an example of one of the words. So you have the word, the definition, some pictures. Now your job in Notability is just to practice writing the word. Tell me what part of speech it is. This is a noun. And then the definition. So again, this work is not too difficult. It will probably take you maybe about 10 or 12 minutes. That's it. So you submit that in the vocabulary assignment and you're done. Okay, now the fun is going to start to happen on day 8 and 9 because we get to do some reading. I know, you were waiting for it. Well, today's your lucky day. We are going to do some reading, and I broke the reading into parts because the book we're going to read has many pages. So I have some of the pages on this day 8, some of it day 9, and some of you even have some more reading for next week. So inside here we have the India book, a PDF of it, of the whole book. So you can definitely read it at your own pace. Come on, book, open up. Ah, you opened. You're such a nice book. Okay, so some people's book has the elephant, some other people's book has the Taj Mahal. There's two different books. So I gave you the one that will be good for you. If you would like me, not actually if, but I would like all of you to listen to me reading it, not because, hi everyone, I'm here to read aloud. See, I know you can read, and in these reading videos, I add some extra information. So I would like you to view my book, my reading aloud, because I included some extra information, extra explaining, like I would do if I were in real life. So for that reason, I would like you to click on the video. You can see it's only 11 minutes. I mean, you have 11 minutes, right? Like, I'm sitting here all day. I think you have 11 minutes and you can listen. So I would like you to listen to it. Last part. Okay, you have some C notes. I know, just because we're not in school doesn't mean our C notes disappeared. We still have them, and it's old style. I mean, I wrote these, I made a copy. It was like, I felt like I was at school. It was a great feeling. And so you have some notes. All the answers to the C notes are in the text. So, I know, doesn't it just make you happy to see something familiar to you? You're like, I know this, I know what to do. Okay, maybe some of you are a little sad, but it's fine. We're just gonna go with it. So we have some C notes. And again, all the answers are in the text. All the answers are in the text. And if you get confused, you can come see me in my Zoom room between 2 and 3. I'll be sitting here waiting so you can see me. Hey, guess what? That was day 8. That was Wednesday. Thursday is the exact same thing. Thursday is the same thing. So if you understand Wednesday, you understand Thursday, because it's the same thing. So again, we have the book, we have my read aloud of the next section, and we have the C notes. Hey, did you notice how there's not any test or quiz this week? That's cool. We'll have one next week, but this week you don't have to worry because we're learning, and we're going to dive pretty deep into India, where the main idea is to learn what's in the book and also to think of some more questions. And those more questions is what we can investigate next week. Friday, there is no school. Actually, every day there's no school, there's just online school. But Friday, you do not have any responsibilities. So you can have a nice Friday. And hey, if we were in real school, you would be taking the MCA test this week. You were supposed to take it tomorrow, but I don't know if you heard, but the governor and the government have canceled the MCA. So it'll probably be the only time in your life where you do not take the MCA. So if you're feeling sad tomorrow, you can just remember, hey, I could be taking a test that lasts 3 hours, but instead I'm on my couch. I'm going to remind you one more time that we have an optional Zoom meeting. Boy, I would love to see you. I am just getting a little lonely here. I mean, my cat is really good company, but like last week I got to see some of my STAR students in Zoom, and I saw Miss Terry, and it was just like the nicest thing. So if you made it to the end of this video, I know you're a committed student and you want to do well and you want to say hello. So log in, say hi, and I'll see you online. Have a great day.